Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Week video. My name is Aaron Apple. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and I'm here to take you through today's weekly video. So I know that all of you have been keeping track of these videos every week, which I really appreciate. We actually received some emails and comments, so thank you very much for those. Really appreciate that. What we're going to be taking you through this week is we're going to be taking you through sort of a combination of different intraday strategies that we use here at Platinum. In this particular video, we're going to be showing you an important trading zone, major cap type strategy, and we're also going to be showing you a third zone trading strategy as well. So we've had 3 trades trigger in total this week, approximately around 75 pips profit from these 3 trades. So obviously a very good trading week, and anytime you're making anywhere from 50 to 100 pips in a week, you're going to be very, very happy with that. So one thing that I want to take you to first is the members area where the trades would have been set up on here. So this is sort of a analysis page where we'll provide you with fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and different types of trading opportunities on a daily basis. Yeah? So we give you longer term trades, short term trades, trading levels where you can sort of have a look at areas of interest. It really is a massive time saver for all of our clients. Majority of our clients working full time, so they can log into this in the mornings, set up all of their orders, come back in the evenings and sort of observe what's triggered in and what hasn't. So if we take a look at the trades that actually triggered in, there was one important zone on the euro this week. You might be wondering, what does important zone mean if you haven't watched any of these videos before? Well, important zone actually means something to do with our algorithm. So I'm going to open the algorithm up just here. This particular algorithm, this produces buy and sell zones each and every day. So in effect, these buy and sell zones, think of them in a simplified way as sort of intraday support and resistance levels. Now, it's a lot more complex in terms of how they're produced. It's around 18 different types of analysis which goes into this algorithm to produce these areas. Now what we do is we label the areas which we believe will have the highest probability to trade, and we label these major cap or important trading zone. Now you can see yesterday we had a euro major cap trigger just here on this buy zone. You can see it's labeled major cap buy zone, so therefore that means you could have traded that buy zone as an intraday trade. So we can see yesterday euro comes in, the price being 1066. You can see it comes into play here and it pops up. Now if we just count the amount of pips here, it goes up from there. It goes up around 33 pips in the end. Now the amount of profit we normally take on these trades is anywhere from around 20-25 pips, and that's roughly what the stop losses tend to be for these trades as well. So for intraday trades, it's around a 20-25 pip stop loss that we use. Then for the other trades that we had 2 on the dollar CAD. Okay, oopsie daisy, that's one of the charts there. So 2 on the dollar CAD just here. You might be wondering, okay, well, what type of trades were these that you took on the dollar CAD? Let me just remove these white lines, and the trades that we took were third zone trades. So you see here, sell zone 1, sell zone 2, sell zone 3. So the third zone up hits this sell zone later in the day, and it pops down in excess of our 25 pip target. And then later in the week on the Wednesday, again, buy zone 1, buy zone 2, buy zone 3, pops into the buy zone there, and well exceeds in excess of target. So that's another type of strategy that we use on our system, which is trading the third zones up and the third zones down on each particular column, each particular trading day. We find that it works really well. It's a really powerful strategy for us and a very high strike rate. So that's the combination of day trades that we took this week in order to produce, those easy 75 pips from those 3 trades. What we're doing is we're actually providing completely free access to the system and analysis on a consultation call with one of our traders. We'll actually share our screen with you, and we'll show you this live on the screen so you can see what the analysis is all about. You can take your time and go through it with the trader and ask all the questions that you might want to. And the way to do that's really simple. You go on our website, which is platinumtradingacademy.com. You click on the top right, which is free consultation, or you can leave your details on the home page here, name, email, phone number, and one of our traders will be in touch with you to sort of brief you on what the call is all about and see what times we can get you booked in for. We just want to say, look, thank you very much for watching today's video. Really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, of course, and I hope everyone has a wonderful bank holiday weekend. Hope you all enjoy it with your families, and I hope you don't get stuck in too much traffic on the roads. We'll speak to you very soon. Thank you very much.